Today we are going to study angle bisector theorem or angle bisector property from mathematics part 2 grade 10. Now here property of an angle bisector of a triangle we are going to study or we are going to practice in the form of theorem. In the exam sometimes this theorem will ask, otherwise only the property or concept we have to use for solving the sums. Okay. Now the theorem is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle. Okay, opposite to the angle. This is the bisector which divides opposite sides of the opposite angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. That means this bisector divides the side AB in the ratio which is equal to the ratio of remaining sides. Now for this, from the statement we are writing given. First we have to draw the diagram, then we will write given in the triangle ABC, bisector of C bisector of angle C intersects the segment AB at point E. That means because of this bisector two parts are becoming AE and EB, that is intersect. Now we have to prove AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB or CA upon CB. Okay, for this we have to do construction. What construction we will do? We will draw a line CE. We will draw a line which is parallel to CE, that is this CD, and join this BD. Okay, purposely I am highlighting again this with another marker. See, CE parallel to BD. In this way we have to increase this line and again we have to make one more triangle here. This is our construction. Now after construction, if you will see here CE parallel, if you will increase this line, okay, CE, you will see here CE parallel to ray BD and AD is a transversal. AD is a transversal. So that time what will happen? Here this angle and this angle will form, that is corresponding angle. See properly in the diagram, if you will increase this two line, you will see here a pair of corresponding angle, that is angle ACE congruent with angle CDB. Angle ACE. This angle congruent with angle CDB. This is pair of corresponding angle. When AD is a transversal. Okay. Now if BC is a transversal, see ray CE parallel to ray BD and BC is transversal. When BC is transversal, that time if you will see here CECB and CBD, angle ECB and angle CBD, again one pair of alternate angle will be formed. Okay, see here if you will see angle ACE with CDB, again angle ECB with CDB, but because of this bisector CE, ACE and ECB they are equal. Now therefore angle ACE equal with angle ECB because given, or you can write CE bisector. If CE is a bisector, then because of that bisector you are getting these two angles congruent. If these two angles are congruent, if you will observe the figure, ACE and ECB are congruent, that means CDB and CDB and angle CBD are also congruent from, you have to write here from 1, 2 and 3. Now this is your statement 1, this is your alternate angle statement 2 and bisector this is 3. From this 3 statement you can write here angle CBD congruent with angle CDB. Now as we know, when two angles are congruent, then sides opposite to them, they are also congruent. Isosceles triangle theorem, therefore CB congruent with CD. Okay, you can write here isosceles triangle property or theorem. Okay, two angles are congruent, therefore sides opposite to them, they are also congruent. Now in triangle ADB, now we will consider the big triangle ABD, this big triangle. Here we can take the ratio as AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CD. Now is equal to, that means we can write AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB, because CB and CD, they are congruent, they are equal. How they are equal already we proved in our diagram also and in proof also. See, in short again I will tell you, in the exam only the property, with the help of property we have to solve the sums based on angle bisector property. This is one angle given by them and we have to solve sums based on angle bisector property. So only here you have to write the proportion in mind. This side upon this side is equal to this side upon this side. That means through which angle the line is bisecting or the side is bisecting, that side. Suppose I will give you name ABCD. So it will come BD upon DC. BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. With the help of this proportion we can able to solve sums. Again in short I will explain you angle bisector theorem. In angle bisector theorem, first by drawing simple triangle and bisector from the angle, we can say only one side is in proportion. After constructing this another triangle, we have to show one pair of corresponding angle, one pair of alternate angle, and because of that these two angles they are becoming equal, and when these two angles are equal, sides opposite to them they are also equal, therefore CB and CD are equal. So instead of CD we are writing CB, and we can able to prove the angle bisector theorem or angle bisector property. And finally with the help of this angle bisector property we can able to solve sums based on that. Hope you understood. Try to practice it at home. Thank you very much.